Installing headlight guards for my Jeep Gladiator. Well, good morning everybody, and how are you today? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Hey, today I'm going to install some headlight guards. You can kind of see what they look like here. On the Jeep Gladiator, and as the name implies, they go around the headlights here. So what I have to do, we'll unbox this. I have the grill off, as you can see here. I did put the color matched surround on, which was in a previous video, so if you want to see how to install that, check out that video. But we're going to go ahead and pull these out. These are, I believe, metal guards. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox these, see what they look like. I haven't actually taken them out to handle them yet, so I'm not quite sure myself. Oh yeah. They even come with instructions and screws. So we must need longer screws for these or something. That's it. Don't need this anymore. And like I said, they come with instructions. Doesn't look too difficult to do. Shows you how to take the grill off, and then they just screw in, it looks like, in existing screws or existing holes. There's kind of a picture of them. And I do like the packaging. They're nicely protected. There's what they look like. They are metal. So that's cool. They are black. I like that. Go ahead and get the other one out of here. So let's go ahead and put them on. Okay, there are 3 screws you need to remove. One here, and one down here. And I'm guessing that's going to make the headlight loose. So be careful when you do that. The headlight doesn't just fall out. It should be connected back there, obviously, so it shouldn't just fall out. But hey, you never know. So let's go ahead and see about getting these screws off. And I'm curious, I don't know, real quick, why we have to replace these. They want you to put these button cap screws in, but they're chrome, silver. I don't want to add that. I'd rather just use the existing stock bolts, and they look to be the same length, so I'm not sure why we need to replace these. I'm going to reuse the stock ones if possible. There we go. And these do have Loctite on them, so I might put a little bit of blue Loctite back on. You can see maybe the blue. Okay, well, it didn't fall out, so that's good. Hopefully it doesn't. Don't know that my drill's going to have enough oomph to put them back in, but let's just take a quick look. Again, I'm not sure why. I guess because of the washer. The washer kind of makes it sit kind of weirdly in there, so maybe that's the reason. So I guess we will go ahead and use the supplied screws. It's the only reason I could think as to why. I don't know. And this washer doesn't come off, so that must be why. I don't know. Very strange, but we'll use what they gave us. Okay, got the blue Loctite here. Like I said, shake this a little bit. I don't know if you need to, but it feels like it moves in there. Gonna go ahead and put some on the threads just to make sure they don't back out. Just a couple. You know, always get more than I wanted, but there you go. That one got a lot. Stuff is very runny. Very runny. Okay, should be able to just put this on now. Famous last words, right? See how good of a fit we get. Looks like a pretty good fit to me. And let's go ahead and get one in. See if my drill will at least get this started. I'm using a T25 Torx bit. Yeah, it feels like it's cross-threaded. So we'll come back to that one, take it out. We'll just use it as a placeholder at the moment. Let's go ahead and get this one in. Yeah, much smoother there. Let's redo this side. And let's get the last one in here. All right, let's snug them down. I will hand tighten them. I don't want to over tighten them. Even though I don't think that's much of a chance with this crappy drill I have here. Fortunately, we are screwing steel, so it should be pretty easy. Okay, let's tighten them down. And you don't want to kill these, just get them nice and snug in there. I don't have torque specifications, and I'm really not sure that the T25 fits this exactly, but it works. All right, there you go. That's what we're going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll pop the grill back on here and see what the finished look is. Okay, there is the finished look without the grill on, of course. Pretty simple to put on with the right tools. Obviously my drill is about done. Time for a new drill, or a stronger one anyway. But you guys can see what they look like. These are, of course, trail guards. I mean, they're designed to protect the headlights against things running in or hitting them, rather. And I just like them for the look. I think they look pretty cool. So let's go ahead, get the grill back on, and button this up. You see the finished look. Okay, let's get the grill back on. Oh yeah, nice. That's all it takes to put the grill on. Put the pins back here across the top. There's 6 of them, they're just push pins. And then I'll close the hood, we'll see the finished look. Okay, got all the pins back in, we are done. I wanted to show you guys the look at the same time that I get to see the look. So I haven't shut the hood yet. And this is the first time I'll have seen it with the surround on, fully installed. And the headlight guards as well. So it's kind of a double whammy for me, and for you guys maybe. Here we go. There you have it. There is the finished look with the surround on the front. I gotta say, I'm digging it. I was a little concerned about how it would look with the grill all framed in. I thought it might make it look kind of, I don't know, kind of toyish, if you will, but it really doesn't. It looks pretty darn good. I'm digging it, and I love those grill guards, or the headlight guards rather. Pretty cool. Awesome. Okay, that's it. That's the finished look. You guys will have to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer it with the surround? You know, the color match surround? And what about those headlight guards? Pretty cool. Anyway, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're considering doing this. I'd be curious. Also, at the end here, we're going to have a comparison between my Jeep with the surround on it, like you can see, and my mother's Jeep, and she chose to go with all black all the way around. So hers is not going to be color matched with the surround on the grill. So you'll have to let me know which one you prefer there as well. Also, real quick, if you haven't before, check out my other channel. It is Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. You can see it maybe sitting right out there. Don't forget to click that notification button so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.